this thing is ugly. Alright, time to stop thinking about it and just deal with it. Let's get this harness out of here. To be honest with you guys, this took me all of 20 minutes to do. And I'm already overwhelmed with what I have to do for this. Because it took me 20 minutes to take this out, but it's probably gonna take me about a week to go through all of these wires if I really do want to fix it. Man, this is pretty bad. These two are fused together. Oh. Man. Alright, I guess I'll start splitting the harness. Alright, so it has been determined that this harness is 100% flushable down the toilet because it is shit. Yeah, I was not expecting. I was just hoping that it didn't get all the way back to the plug for the ECU, and I looked at it and it didn't, but it's about it, maybe an inch away from it. So I need a harness. I can't fix this one. I have no desire to go this deep. Like this is where it started, all the way down here, and it trailed all the way. This is about where I'm at right now, and I'm seeing some of it right here, which means it went pretty far. But this is the plug for the ECU. And there's no burned wires in between here. None of these pins are black like it's been burned or anything like that. So it stopped just in time to save the ECU. I hope. So I'm gonna take a pause, come up with a game plan, then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so this is what we got to work with. I've narrowed it down to just this wire. There's like a conjunction of wires that splits off onto the ground here. It's, for the most part, all one wire. And all the surrounding wires, oh, this one fell off. I gotta remember this. Yeah, it went here. But, yeah, for the most part, the wires that were connected to it, like this one, all this stuff that's on here, I don't know if you could see it. That's all the insulation from this wire. So all I'm gonna do is replace this and just hope for the best. So it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but this is the new harness, or this is the new wire that I replaced it. It's an 8-gauge wire. I think the wire that was on here was like a 10. So made it a little bit bigger. Did all the conjunction joints. Bro, this thing is ugly, but hopefully it worked. So I got everything replaced. It actually was not as bad as I was anticipating, but hopefully it works. Well, it's time to put it back in the car. There's one problem. I don't know what any of this is. None of it. Okay, some of it. Okay, a lot of it. Alright, so the harness is about ready to go back in, but I had to come here and grab some tools. Okay, we'll just take everything. Alright, so now that the tools has been secured, let's go ahead and head over. Well, I was gonna say let's head back over to the house, but since we have like maybe an hour, I want to go run over to this metal supply store that I found when me and Blake was trying to find some welding wire. I want to see if they got any scrap metal that I can make a work table with. So I'll pick up the camera again when we get over there. So here's the finished product. I still need to put the ends on them, but got everything linked up in there. You don't have to take my word for it. It's secure. Did this one. I found one wire that was kind of charred due to the wire, so I wrapped it up. Time to put it in the car, see if it works. Comment down below if you think it's gonna work or not. I'll give you guys the benefit of the doubt. Told a lot of people, everybody just said get a new harness. Oh well. Let's see if it works. Alright, so I got a rough layout, and I do mean rough layout of what's going on and where all the connectors and stuff need to go. So I think I'm going to start from right here, fix this and orient it how it's supposed to be, and get this grommet all fixed in there, and then just slowly work my way over. Actually, I'm not gonna put that in all the way because I still want to put it out and put some shielding back on it at some point. But yeah, so orientate it how it's supposed to be, and then start feeding the wires, and then I could figure out what's what and plug everything in, and then I could try to start it and see if it works before I start wrapping it back up in this stuff. She lives! Oh God, I'm so happy. You all don't even know. You probably do, but oh my God, I'm so happy. So I stayed up all night messing with this car, 2 nights in a row now. But it paid off. We got it. Oh, yes! Yes! Let's go. There's the whole car. Yeah, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy La Bassa. We're back again with our next one, or maybe we never leave the first one. I don't know if I ever finished. I don't think I finished the other video, so I don't think I'm gonna put an outro, so this just might run into the other one. But we're on the way to Klutch Kickers. Just picked up Blake, picked up some breakfast. 9:30, I missed the driver's meeting again. I don't think I've ever been to a driver's meeting. I'm sorry, guys. I try so hard to get there on time, but if you saw my Facebook stories, then you know exactly what's going on. The GoPro died, so I didn't get to film too much, but either way, we're here, we're on the way now. Let's get there. Bruh. I've been looking for y'all everywhere, bro. It's been a minute. I know. Excuse the face. Yeah, I know. I've been busy. I'm sorry. This video is actually the last day that Klutch Kickers had over there at Emerald Coast Raceway. And they've already officially announced since the beginning of this year that they're going to be over at Cletus's track over in, I think it's Bradenton, which is like about 5 hours away from me. So it's going, we're definitely going to head out there, but it'll be more spectating. Yeah. How y'all been? I've been kind of busy. Couldn't keep up with all the videos and editing and all that stuff. I've been filming, but I couldn't get around to editing and all that other stuff. But we are out here in Silver Lake, and well, I guess I got a few things to update you guys on. And it's not gonna be this video. This is actually the end of the video. But I just wanted to give y'all some sneak peeks of what I've been getting into and kind of what's gonna be happening going forward. So for those of you that, you know, don't know me or personally or don't keep up with me on Facebook or anything like that, I bought this. This is a 1999 KTM 125 SX. This is the first dirt bike I've ever bought, and it's nasty. Just wanted to give y'all an update here because I didn't film an outro when I made that video, but I need to get back into the process of making stuff for you guys. I'm really shooting to be more consistent. If you guys want to help me out, please smash that subscribe button. Please hit the likes. It really helps me out. It helps motivate me. It helps me show me that, you know, you guys are watching. You guys like what I'm putting out, and there's a lot more coming, trust me. I'm also into NFTs now, mainly on the Solana blockchain. I'm not I don't think I'm quite experienced enough for me to go play around with no Ethereum NFTs right now. It's a big investment, huge gas fees, and I'm not about that life right now. So I'm gonna stick around on Solana NFTs for right now. And if you guys want to join me on that adventure, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I'm gonna start making videos about. All right, that's all I'm gonna hold you guys up for. I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next video when I go out riding, and I'll see you guys in the next one.